Is Kaixin stock a buy? Should I buy Kaixin stock? As you may have seen or evidently see, Kaixin stock is soaring up the market. At some point today, it was up 100% and some fraction. Right now, it is up 81.73%. Some days ago, which I believe this is what it represents, it was up to 1,000% in just one trading session. So today again, it's running up just a fraction of that sort of spike. So this equity has a market cap of $182 million. About 60.46 million shares are sold short. Only 1% of them are held by institutions. According to Short Squeeze, only 2.23% of that 60 million shares have been sold short. So, but it also says it's increased. It has increased by 848%. So, well, that is a high, very high increase. What it simply indicates is that market participants have seen that this equity sure does pull back, and they have seen that people have also shorted it before, and it worked. So they are probably jumping in now to do the same thing. So technically speaking, Kaixin appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above 80. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is outperforming the S&P 500 index. Momentum for Kaixin is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. The volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 98.445 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests buyers are presently more active than sellers. There's no doubt about that. So the Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in near-term trend. That is no doubt about that. So that has evidently happened, and we'll say that in our opinion, there's no doubt this equity is not a buy today as things stand now with this sort of high double digits gains. It's not a buy. Do not have any fear of missing out. It will definitely cool down at some point. It will correct, it will consolidate, as the case may be, and we may also see a higher short interest. For now, it is not a buy, not today, the 20th of November 2020. Hold on and wait for it to pull back, and we can evidently see that at some point in the past it did pull back below the 10-day and the 20-day trend lines, and indeed today you can see that 19th of November, that was the session of yesterday, it closed below these trend lines, these short-term trend lines, and that also presented a short-term buying opportunity. So hold on, wait for it to pull back again and going. If you're already there already, if you want to sell, it's up to you. But for those who are not there already, do not jump in. It is too risky. It is trading way beyond its 3 standard deviation. It is trading in tail risk territory. Do not jump in now. Wait for it to pull back before we jump in. Okay, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for watching.